Gria Malik. Today, I would like to explain how to make kapal api black coffee. To explain the step of making kapal api black coffee. Ingredients: 1 sachet of kapal api black coffee, sugar, hot water, cup, and spoon. Step: freeze prepare a cup and a spoon. Next, open 1 sachet of kapal api. Then, put the coffee powder into the cup. After that, add sugar. Pour hot water into the cup. Stir the coffee until it's well mixed. Finally, the kapal api black coffee is ready to be served.